Isikhulu sezevikelo kwa-Eskom uKaren Play uthi bafumene bona kunobulelesi obuhlelwe kwa-Eskom ebuhlotshwaniswa nokuwetjiwa kwamalahle kunye nendawo ezingasisemthethweni ekubekwa amalahle kizo khulukhulu esifundeni seMpumalanga. Uphile uthi bakhona esebebophileko ngobulelesi ubu.
As a result, Chair, more than 50 illegal coal yards and dump sites have been identified in the Mpumalanga area. Insofar as the complexity of crimes are concerned, there is certainly an indication of an organized element that exists, and as indicated and alluded to by my previous colleagues, certainly does involve involvement of internal resources, Eskom employees and contractors, as well as external parties. For this reason, Chair, specific cases have been escalated to the organized crime unit of the SABC, and to date, Chair, we have 44 arrests that have been affected.
Usihlalo webhodi ye-Eskom umpamakana uthi isikhulu saphambili se-Eskom uAndre Darita wethula ulwazi lobukhohlakali obenzeka kwa-Eskom ingasuthi yinto eja ikhibe bevele busezeka. UDarita waveza izinsolo lezi nabekabuza imibuzo ngesinye seniteyitshini zethelevishini ngenyanga kaMhlolanja. Umakwana uthi ngemva kwalokho ibhodi yabamba umhlangano yavumelana ngokuthi uDarita asuse esikhundleni njengombana bekona igama lekhampani.
The board came to the conclusion that some of the utterances he made brought the company into disrepute, and therefore resolved to agree to the variation of his notice period to 28 February 2023. Towards my concluding remarks, I will clarify this further. The board made further then resolved to release him forthwith from his obligation to serve the remainder of his notice period with immediate effect.
Umkhanyo uthi ibhodeja kunye neenkhulu ze-Eskom bezingazi ngombiko wangeqadi owaveza indaba ubukirikitjhani, ubukhohlakali, ukusozisa nokhunye okwenzeka e-Eskom. UDarita wasungula iphenyo langeqadi elaveza bona kuneenqhema zehlanganyela zobulelesi obuhlelwe ekhampanini leya. UDarita wathi wabelana nebhodi ngalokhu okwavela embikweni ngenyanga kaSinyikhaba umnyaka ophelileko. Kodwa umkhanyo uphike walala ngomhlana wathi lokho bakwaziko njenganje bakuze imbiki indabeni.